My name's Anna and I'm an illustration student at University of Plymouth. Today we did a silkscreen printing workshop, so I decided to film the process for you. We began by coating our screens in an emulsion fluid, giving them a bit of a clean up and then popping them in the dryer while we finished off our designs. I decided to do some flowers. We then put these in an exposure machine underneath our screens so that the light would harden the fluid, leaving just the silhouette of the design. We washed the silhouette out of the screen using a pressure washer, which was definitely my favourite part. Once that was done, I taped up parts of the screen where there were any blemishes or where I just didn't want any ink coming through for the first design before screwing it into the frame and then lining up my paper with where I was going to print. Once we'd picked and mixed our colours, we got to start printing, and it was actually really satisfying using the squeegee and just pushing ink around. I also had fun experimenting with different colours and combinations, and I really liked how this one turned out. Once all of the base layer designs had dried, we started printing our second layer, which we did on a sheet of acetate first so we could see where it was going to print and place the paper underneath it to align it. This stage is definitely where I messed up the most because I kept accidentally printing on the acetate and forgetting to flip it over, but I liked how they turned out and I liked how the rest of my coursemates' work turned out. And to finish off, we cleaned all the ink off our screens and used the pressure washer once again to clean the solution off our screens, but this time using chemicals to break down the emulsion, which is why we had a bit more safety gear. And once everything was cleaned up, I got to take all my artwork home with me and had a massive nap. Thanks for watching!